example f of x equal to 3 if 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, 4 if 1 less than x less than 3, 5 if 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. Here we want to discuss the continuity of this function, whether it is continuous or not. So there are three intervals. Look at here, in these three intervals 1 is common and 3 is common. Okay, 1 and 3 are common numbers. So we have to discuss the continuity at x equal to 1 and at x equal to 3. So, okay. So first we have to consider the point x equal to 1. Now find left hand limit and right hand limit. So left hand limit is, listen, limit x tends to, at x equal to 1, therefore limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. That is limit x tends to minus 1. 1 minus. So 1 minus means less than 1. So in these three intervals, less than 1 means this is the interval. So in this interval, f of x is defined as 3. So replace f of x by 3. So there is no variable x. So no need of applying the limit. Directly you can write the number. What is the answer? 3. Now right hand limit. Right hand limit equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. That is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. Now 1 plus means more than 1, greater than 1. So look at here, in this interval it is up to 1. Now more than 1 belongs to this interval, and in this interval f of x is defined as 4. So replace f of x by 4. 4 is a constant, there is no variable, therefore limit of a constant is constant itself. So right hand limit equal to 4. So left hand limit is 3, right hand limit is 4. So clearly left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. So in this case f is not continuous. Okay, f is not continuous at a point x equal to 1. So okay, similarly you can find whether the function f is continuous or not at a point x equal to 3 also. Verify it using the same manner, same method. You have to check whether the function is continuous at a point 3 or discontinuous at a point 3. Okay.